Hey guys, good morning. It's Mrs. Elm. I'm here to talk about your daily assignments. So I'm going to go to your website here. Today for reading and writing, you're going to do I read for 25 minutes or read a book for 25 minutes and stop and jot. You can, for extra, continue to do your writing book if you'd like to continue your writing book. For math today, you're going to sing this song out loud a few times about money. Then you're going to do the graded sheet called Problem Solving with Money, but it's not on the website. It was in an email that I sent your parents on Sunday about your 6th week of teleschool. This is for a graded assignment, so please send it to Mrs. Strickland. Then in science, you're going to watch like how a lima bean grows, and then if you have a lima bean, you can grow it at your own house, which would be really cool. So the graded activity is on an email that I sent your parents, and this is what it looks like, and it's called Problem Solving with Money. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and that's for a grade. And there's no need to send it to me. You could just send it straight to Miss Strickland because she's the one that's going to grade that for you. That's all for today. I hope you guys have a really great Friday, and I will see you soon.